technology. Today's information session will be technical, describing what's involved component-wise in a GHP kit which is installed onto an internal combustion engine nationally and internationally. Globo hydropower technology utilises hydrogen gas, compressed hydrogen gas, into a gas storage cylinder. Here we have a baby C-size hydrogen gas storage cylinder, typically used in Australia for passenger vehicles, hence the small size. This particular cylinder holds 600 litres of compressed gas. The Globo hydropower technology utilises compressed hydrogen gas as a fuel source. The hydrogen gas is always stored within a hydrogen gas storage cylinder. The storage cylinders are exchangeable. Here with me is a baby C-size hydrogen gas storage cylinder, typically used in passenger vehicles within Australia. The hydrogen gas storage cylinder is made of a mild steel, internally 5 millimetres thick. It's able to withstand a handgun impact, ideally suitable for industrial purposes. Into the future, as Globo hydropower is rolled out and commercialised within a nation, we'll be moving to the modern carbon fibre cylinders. Traditional mild steel hydrogen gas storage cylinders are able to hold a 200 bar pressure. Into the future, the carbon fibre cylinders will be able to withhold a 300 bar pressure. The hydrogen gas storage cylinders are colour coded, so emergency services know upon attending an incident what cylinder is in use. In Australia, it's typically a colour red. Each hydrogen gas storage cylinder is fitted with a valve that allows it to connect to a high pressure hose. Typically in Australia, we have a type 20 valve. Each nation will have a valve relevant to their regulation. The hydrogen gas storage cylinders are exchangeable. They're not an in-place cylinder. The gas will be delivered to customers using the Globo hydropower technology on a monthly basis. Full cylinders will be delivered to site and empty cylinders will be collected at the same time. Connecting to the hydrogen gas storage cylinder is a high pressure hydrogen gas transfer hose. The connection point is via a hand wheel. A hand wheel means that there's no tools needed to exchange the hydrogen gas cylinder over to the system that's installed onto an engine. The high pressure hose to a hydrogen gas regulator is the next stage. The hydrogen gas regulator is firstly hydrogen gas standards compliant nationally and internationally. The hydrogen gas regulator is specifically made of brass. As hydrogen gas is a small molecule, it's able to seep through most metals, but it cannot seep through brass or stainless steel. So regulations require the hydrogen gas regulator be made of brass. With the Globo hydropower technology, we use a two-stage regulator. The two-stage regulator, as you can see, is gauge in and gauge out. Gauge in is the high pressure 200 bar. The gauge out, we're reducing the pressure to 5 psi. We only want a low pressure entering the combustion, specifically noting that a two-stage regulator is required when using compressed hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas being a small molecule, it will expand within its hydrogen gas storage cylinder as the cylinder fill capacity starts to lower. So to ensure a consistent flow rate enters the combustion chamber of an engine, a two-stage regulator is utilised in the Globo hydropower system. Transferring the hydrogen gas from the hydrogen gas regulator, a low pressure hydrogen gas transfer hose is used. This particular hose is made of an interwoven steel, suitable for industrial purposes, so the hose can't be compromised or damaged or cut. The hydrogen hose internally with the interwoven steel withholds the small hydrogen molecules. There's no seepage through the hydrogen hose. The hydrogen hose meets hydrogen gas regulations and standards. For safety purposes, directly attached to the hydrogen gas regulator, the pressure reducing regulator, is a flame arrestor, sometimes known as a flashback arrestor or a one-way valve. The purpose of the flame arrestor is to stop any spark that may occur unexpectedly within an engine, or any flames that may occur unexpectedly within an engine, to transfer up the hydrogen hose and all the way back to the gas cylinder. The flame arrestor used in the Globo hydropower technology is BAM, German standards approved, and of the highest quality for this particular purpose. The flame arrestor is also made of brass for hydrogen gas standards compliance. Controlling the hydrogen gas flow into an engine is an electronic solenoid. The solenoid allows the gas to flow from the gas cylinder into the engine. The operator of the engine has total control over the gas flow via on and off switch, which is located on the main control panel of an engine. The hydrogen gas solenoid valve, again, is made of brass for hydrogen standards compliance. Gas flowing into an engine is electronically controlled, proprietary to Globo hydropower and its IP rights. The Globo hydropower technology will include a black box. The electronics are all fitted with appropriate gauge wiring and electrical connection. Hydrogen enters the combustion proceedings of an engine via a brass injector. Brass is used for hydrogen safety compliance. The hydrogen is entering the air intake side of an engine. There's no design change and no functional change to the fuel side of an engine. Thus, the Globo hydropower technology is an addition to an existing in-use engine. It is not an alternative fuel system. The volume of hydrogen that is used in the Globo hydropower technology is its trade secret. There is a stoichiometric formula that allows the mix of hydrogen, air and fuel to be used during the combustion proceedings of an engine. The stoichiometric formula is IP controlled by the Globo Hydropower Company in Australia. Noting that the stoichiometric formula that's used to allow hydrogen to mix with the air and fuel of an engine's combustion proceedings is applied individually to each and every engine. No two engines have exactly the same fuel consumption, so therefore no two engines can use the Globo hydropower technology without its stoichiometric formula being applied. Too little hydrogen will lose power to the engine. Too much hydrogen will embrittle the engine's metal. The stoichiometric formula of the Globo hydropower technology is what makes it unique, it's what makes it works, and it's what makes it IP controlled by Globo Hydropower Australia. The Globo hydropower technology, an Australian innovation designed for the world. The The Globo hydropower technology is an addition to existing in-use engines, suitable for product installation onto heavy transport vehicles, buses, trucks, agricultural equipment, mining equipment, power generators, locomotive transportation, shipping. Globo hydropower technology is designed and installed to hydrogen gas standards and regulations. The technology has been tried, tested and proven to Australian international standards. The technology is supplied to customers with a warranty and related insurances. Our technicians are all highly skilled installers in hydrogen gas. The Globo hydropower technology, making a difference, helping us save our environment, helping governments achieve their zero emissions targets. Globo hydropower is ready for your country today.
Hello, I'm back again. Like in my college, my boss, explained every single part in the scheme, what it's all about. My job, like a warehouse, director, in charge of delivery, this kit, every single part of this world is gonna be coming from the warehouse. So, like I say, except the cylinder, because the cylinder obviously is gonna be different size depending on where the country going. But from the bracket, coming from the hose, all the electric equipment, the regulator, all the rest of the stuff is gonna come in here. That box is gonna be exactly the same everywhere. It's a 530 centimeters or millimeters long, 280 millimeters wide, and the same high. The way I'm set up, to send like this is because I reckon the way if we enhance that, boxes in the container, non-pallet, it's gonna be too much. They're gonna be squashed. We don't want that. So we decide, with America at the moment, to send in, in a 20-footer container. 20-footer container is made for us, to put 8 boxes per layer on the pallet, 8 layers, high, 2.4 millimeters high, so it gives you enough gap on the top of the container. That means, it's all square. They don't want to be moved anywhere. Everybody knows, the shipping containers on the sea, they can go, whatever. I happen to be, I got 32 years, experience in the warehouse, and I know sometimes you open the containers and the boxes come in everywhere. We don't know that. We don't need that. So the way, with the square pallet, that's the best way for me to, to explain. We got 2 different, pallets we use around the world. Standard pallet is 1.2 by 1.0 square, and the European or ski pallet, they can use it. It's the same size, 120 but 80 centimeters. The difference is, a standard pallet in the 20-footer container, you can fit 10 pallets. 10 pallets times 64, boxes in each pallet. That means, 640. For the ski, only you can put, in a layer, only 6, but you can't go higher. You have to go stack to the side, 8. So that means, it's 540, so we lost, Still, you put, one extra pallet in the container, but it's still, it's not enough. We lost too much space, and we lost, the quantity of the boxes, and that's, it's all about minimize, and that's my job, like a warehouse, minimize the stuff. The more boxes in the container, the better for us. What can I say? That's, it's buying about my containers. I can explain to you in the future, with the warehouse and everything, what is the plan, to do it more more quicker and everything, delivering containers, day by day. This is the future. Like I meant, a grandfather, a father, it's something so exciting to do something for this world. We hear, in the news and the newspapers all the time, the climate change. Who is doing something big? They try, but this is the way, we can do it now. So many trucks, so many buses, so many old trucks around everywhere, including in Australia. If we make it this one, we can make it different. I got my new generation over there. I got 3 grandchildren, 2 on my way. I want to give you something. And still you can remember, oh, Grandpa, he done this. Why not? Let's do it. So my name is Jamie Jones, and I'm the warehouse director of the Globo.